Yo, what's up guys? So I don't know what I'm doing. I know there's probably a tool out there. I don't know nothing about carpentry. But anyway, so what I'm doing right now is I got this big drill bit. I need to make insert holes like that, so these self-tapping screws can go through right here. These are the only ones I got. I'm not gonna go to the store. I'm gonna use what I got. So what I found out with this first one was it needs to be inserted so it could sit flush, so I could have these planks go across the whole trailer, because I'm doing like a slat roof, but instead of like doing slits and stuff individually or in between each slat, I'm just gonna butt everything up together, make everything tight, and then go along this edge as well, and then put trim right here to cover up the sill or the seam when I'm covering up all the wires. I'm gonna continue on this. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going off of what what is working for me, and I don't feel like going to the store and getting any more materials or whatever, so I'm gonna use what I got until I'm out. I'm sorry. Hey. You gotta be nice to that mailman and the Amazon people. They're here to give us packages and your food and your treats and stuff. My dog almost got her ass. She almost got your ass, Mr. Mailman. Like I said, I just need platforms up here so I can put the slats across. I think a router might work better, but I do not have one of those, and I do not feel like buying one. See what I mean? That looks better, and it's held on there. It's fuck. Whoa. I don't got no wiring going across. I got the wires coming from up over here. I'm gonna slip them in between here, and then they're gonna drop down, and I'm gonna cut little holes through the slats, so the wire's gonna physically stick out of here, coming from over there, just like this. Like that, and then drop down in the middle. That's where we're gonna have the lights. All right. I got the hole cut out. It ain't pretty, but it's gonna work. There's a little gap in here. I might use some like foam or something. Now we're just gonna line this side up and then measure from probably like here on that way and do those slats. Anyways, we're just gonna send it. Boy. nail gun. This thing is cool, dude. This thing is really cool. I've never used one of these before, but it's pretty straightforward. All right. Got it butted up right there. Oh man, that's good. That is good. Dude, that's awesome. That is dope. Oh, I'm gonna take this light down because I don't need it right now. But yeah, oh, dude, that's cool. I get it. I'm like a tool fanatic. I have a whole bunch of tools, Milwaukee at that too. But dude, this is awesome. Like, all it is stick and poke. That's so cool. That's about it. Oh yeah. Alright, I got these sections. Yeah, that's a lot better. So I could just butt up the template up there and then I'll staple that up. I know I could really ask a lot of people. Well, I got a lot of friends and family that are in this kind of business, but I just hate bothering people. And also, I don't like people over. It's weird to say because I do all these events and stuff. But when it comes to like my little projects I got going on, I had to bother people, and then I just feel like I like to be by myself when I'm creating. Who else feels like that? You know what I mean? So I could put this template up now, but I need to remake it because I chopped it. I made it, chopped it, made it, chopped it. Like there's a lot I did. But like I said, don't be afraid. I don't know. I'm kind of scared all the time when it comes to art projects or building projects. Just, I don't know. Don't let it discourage you. You gotta give it a try. You gotta give something a try. How else are you gonna learn? But I'd rather try it myself, fail a couple times, and not pay somebody. Because, dude, if I paid somebody to do this, oh my god. This shit would be so expensive. Okay, so the other day, me and my friend were like sitting down and like calculating because I'm into cars as well. Well, I have a project car back there, but it's a little Honda City. Ain't really much. But anyways, I spent a lot of money on that. And then I was just talking about this project. I was like, dude, I got a lot of money into this. And then we started calculating. At first I was like, I don't got that much. And then we started like sitting down with the tools, with the materials, with the wood, the lighting, the wiring, the electrical, all that little things add up. I was like, dude, I didn't know I spent that much. But granted, I'm still under how much a brand new 10x6 trailer would cost now if you were to get it from a lot, because they're like 5-6 grand. I'm still under that building this the way I want it to look. And the trailers that do come, they are not equipped with like a slat ceiling, with the insulation, with the, maybe there's some lighting, but not the way I'm building this. All right, so this is the gap I was talking about right here, the 1/4 inch gap for the lights. That's the template. That's the insert for the lights. All right, now we just need to chop this off on the other side. I never seen this portion done before, so I saw something in my head that I'm trying out. This little insert, that all around. The trim is what's gonna butt it up inside there. So that's why there's this gap right here. Okay, so I got the LED out. This is a LED rope. At first I was gonna use the strips. I didn't really like that because I was gonna buy a diffuser anyways to like soften the light. And then I stumbled upon this called LED rope. This looks a lot more cleaner. So I'm putting the LED strip up. I'm just using tape right now temporarily because I still gotta paint this whole thing. But I wanna see if it holds, not holds, but like if it makes the round. So I've got it wrapped around. It doesn't look pretty, but I think I might have to get some foam or a little bit of plastic, something to put in this one, the back one, and maybe, I don't know. All right, so the doors are closed for the trailer. So yeah, I got the remote right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, wow. That's it for the the LED strip install. Well, it's like the LED rope. So it's kind of in there like just loosely. Yeah, so if you can tell, it's kind of wavy. So I'm gonna try my best throughout the week or weekend is to get this thing leveled and yeah, straightened. And then also I need to fill in all these gaps. Of course, that gap, all the corner gaps pretty much. And then this one right here, yeah, I just got a little bit of touching up to do, but that's the install. So yeah, that all the different colors. Like, dude, that's a pretty cool representation of like what I was imagining in my head. I didn't know how I was gonna do it. I wanted to get something along this line, no pun intended. All right, that's it for the video. I'll see y'all later. Peace.